Not like the video.
Loving?
Yes, happily.
Okay, that's as late as my mom wants to say. Yeah. Cool. Sounds good. We'll be here till there on the dot. Are you filming? Yeah. Oh, that's precious. Can I hold it?
You already did.
I want it on video. You guys are ruining the precious.
Wash your hands after you hold them. Whoa.
Hi, precious.
What? Mindy's like messes with the leave a beat thing. I don't know what you call that.
What chair is that?
Answering machine message. Thank you. Yeah, can I have that?
Right, your turn.
No. What? It's
the
my precious thing.
And without the precious part of the video, it's gone.
No, I feel like it's going to get injured and it's going to be my fault.
Don't headbutt my camera. No, don't.